We know you got to walk fast in New York. But yeah, New York, everybody's welcome to the party, all 50 states. And just in case you are not ready for the program, let me just show you really quick too. I do have the Start Your Notary Business books. Okay, they're all 50 states have their own book now. So you got this is Florida, who is that? Indiana and Georgia. I just have a few of them. I don't have all 50 of them, but they come in all different colors. And each state has their own book now, so you might want to check that out. And Notary Educators LLC also under the book collection. Anissa says, how soon does it take your students to get comfortable out there on average? Well, that's going to be on each person. Everyone's confidence level actually from the first session, if they're ready to go. When we finish anything, when they finish Notarize Like a Pro, if they're doing self-paced, they will shoot me an email, hey, Karen, my confidence, I'm ready to go. So what I find though, Anissa, what happens is you have to get the knowledge. So you'll be ready to go knowledge-wise, boom, boom, bam, right? But you got to also get your supplies. You also have to get your pricing together. So it's not just you're going to take a 2-hour session with me and be ready to go tomorrow. For most people, we got to do a little bit more building, just a little bit. So I say it depends on the person again. If you got 2 weeks to get everything ordered, get your stamps, get your supplies, get your pricing list together, get your square unit. You can now use your telephone too for accepting payments. But you got to have a way to accept payments. I mean, you got to have your pricing list. You got to have your receipt book. You got to have, it's just things you have to have in order to get started. So I can give you the knowledge right in 15, 20 minutes, but it still takes a little bit. So on average, I don't even have one for you. It's going to strictly be on each person. But I can guarantee you, if you put the work in, you will be fine. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. You will be fine. And a lot of it we even talked about last night with our customer service session. As I mentioned earlier in this video, and I am going to start heading out. I didn't realize it was so much to customer service. I had a little bullet point thing with like 5 points, I think. But we actually talked about customer service for an hour. I was like, okay, it's a lot deeper. So I don't just teach you how to properly notarize. I teach you how to be a professional also. And I will share one point with you that we talked about last night. And that is the need for consistency. Whoever you are in the world, show up that same place as that same person all the time. It shouldn't be you're wearing 2 hats. And again, I'm not into moral coaching. I'm not into telling you what to do. But I find like some people, they have 2 different pages, right? They got their page over here where they cussing and laid out and doing all that. But then over here, you're trying to be the professional. No, just be who you're going to be. Be who you're going to be. And if that might mean you need some professional development personally on the personal side, maybe you grew up in a household where everybody cussed each other out, and that was cool and that was cute, and being sarcastic every time somebody say something to you to get a laugh is funny. Maybe that's how you grew up, right? But no, like we talked about last night, you might need some personal coaching before you can even start doing your business. Okay, because that's not going to fly over here. It may look cute on reality TV, and it look cute when you watching TikTok and, when you watching stuff and people getting cussed out and everything, and that's cute, but not in real life. Real life, people they want a professional handling their documents. They want you to say good morning. Hey, how are you? They want conversation. They want empathy. So all what we see on, what we may even watch on TV, okay? You might watch and be entertained by that, but don't think you can do that in your real business, because that is not going to fly. So last night we took the whole session and we talked about customer service, and it was very good. Okay, replays are available as I mentioned earlier. So again, I'm not, like I said, here to tell you what to do in your life morally, but I am here to be a professional, and I'd be less than a professional if I did not share that with you. So when you talk about how long does it take on average for somebody to get comfortable and get out there, sometimes I got to help people to get their personality straight before they can even start stamping a paper. Okay, again, they come from West Side, or whatever, and now you gonna bring that to your business? Oh, no, 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 no. If you can't say good morning to me as your instructor, and you think you're gonna go out there and do that to your clients, and they're gonna pay you to be disrespected, yeah, not gonna work. Because I have an issue with that. Don't just send me, people all day long will put comments or questions and just start talking. They not like, hi Kimmi, hey Kimmi, how are you? They just ask their question. I'm like, I don't know who you think you're dealing with. And it's not like I'm so important, but I believe we're gonna be respectful. So if you just shoot me a question and you're not like saying hello first, I'm gonna definitely send back and say, hey, how are you? Pause, and then we can go forward. But that's the kind of thing, like I said, even growing your business, it's not natural. It's not natural. People are not naturally bent to put the client first. Maybe back in the day, but especially now with reality TV, it's done messed up a lot of stuff. It's done messed up a lot of stuff. Okay? So we got to get back to basics. So I got some basic stuff going on over here too. Matter of fact, that's what I called it last night, customer service basics. These are just things that you have to do. It ain't even like a non-negotiable. You have to say good morning to your client. Okay. If you're not a morning person and you can't say good afternoon to your client, you probably don't need to be doing the business. I'll be honest with you, because people will use you that day. But if you're talking about building a long-term business and being successful, it's going to be a lot of referrals. I was telling somebody, I don't remember who it was. I think it was our other mentor group, because we have two, as I mentioned earlier. The other one is for more advanced students. They just need, more calls with more help with apostilles, loan signing, etc. But in that group, and we had a conversation that, I forgot my thought just that quick. But we were talking about, just that quick, I forgot what we were talking about. Oh, I know. How I have now, Google is working for me. I have my clients working for me. What do I mean by that? In the sense that my Google page is so tight that Google will refer clients to me based on what I have on my Google page, right? Based on my client reviews. My clients work for me. What do I mean by that? They will tell people, oh, you need a notary? Check out Kimmi. Check out Kimberly. I'm Kimberly in my notary space. Check out Kimberly. She's your notary. She'll do it for you. Signing companies refer to other signing companies. Everybody talks. Everybody know each other, right? So if you do good work for one, that same person is telling 10 other people about you. Now, the reverse is true too. If you do whack work, if your work is terrible, whack work. They talking about you, okay? You better know it. You better know it. Girl, don't call such and such because her work. Honey, if you want to send somebody out there 4 times, or girl, please, you gonna hire her? She don't even know how to do. So the same good things they're talking about you, they're talking about you bad. So be consistent. Be consistent. Know what to do. Know what to do. And some people say, well, they're gonna talk about you either way. Yeah, but I'd rather most of them be talking about me in a good way. How about that? So let's see. Anissa says, I have a business background already. I have supplies minus receipt book. I appreciate what you shared, and I'll be joining your program. Okay, cool. Well, we'd love to have you. We'd love to have you. And, as long as you know what to do, the rest of it, we can get that marketing going and get you out there and start making your money. That's what I recommend. So we'll see you over in the program. So we'll stay 2 more minutes, because I see we got a few more people join. Any other questions? Any other questions before we head out? Going once. Going twice. Got 2 minutes. I'll stay. So I'm going to, again, invite you to join the Notary Business Success Coaching Program. Unlimited access to all of my trainings. Also, a private community. And we meet weekly. Okay, the schedule actually is out for this month. So you can go check it out and just see what topics we'll be covering for the month of September. The schedule is out, so you can check it out at notaryeducatorsllc.com. And you can see the past ones probably like if you're in our Facebook group or something, which would be nice for a way for me to show you the past ones too, so you can go back and catch the replays. But anyway, it's all there. I'm gonna head out, guys. It's been my pleasure. And again, you cannot afford not to take notary training. You cannot. And you can definitely afford it with me because it's only $39.99. Okay. Well, anyway, guys, until next time, this is Notary Life with Kimmi and Notary Educators Training Team. Much success to you in your business, okay?